You ever have one of those days where you're just mad at everything? Well, these cats totally get it. From being locked out to giving their humans the side eye. Get ready for a bunch of furry little attitudes in action. Yup, it's a full-on grumpy cat takeover. This cat's one locked door away from declaring war. When you love your human, but also want to throw paws. That stare? That's not just anger. That's personal. When you're mad, but not mad enough to look at them directly.